In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track clients in Smartsheet, Client Management 2026. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. This is where all your client tracking will live, so make sure you're signed in to the correct account for your organization. Go ahead and log in using your usual method, email and password, single sign-on, or your provider of choice. That's all you need here. Once you're authenticated, Smartsheet will take you straight to your home page. On Home, take a moment to note the left-hand navigation and the search bar at the top. Both are handy if you're juggling multiple projects. From here, click All Workspaces. A workspace is a container that holds related items, sheets, reports, and dashboards, so your client assets stay organized and secure. Inside your workspaces, look for the one that contains your client materials and select the item called Client Tracker. If you don't have it yet, you can add it from the template gallery. The Client Tracker template typically includes a central sheet for client records, a report that summarizes key fields, and a dashboard that surfaces metrics and charts. When creating from a template, choose the workspace where you want these items to live so everything stays together. Let's open the client dashboard first. This is your at-a-glance command center. You'll usually see total client counts, recent updates, and visual breakdowns like status by stage. If you want to fine-tune what you see, click Edit on the dashboard to rearrange widgets, adjust chart sources, or update filters to focus on specific regions, owners, or time frames. Dashboards reflect live data, so any changes you make on the underlying sheet will show up here. Next, explore the client list and the clients by status views. Client list is your grid of records: company, primary contact, status, owner, next action, and key dates. Add a new row for a new client, update the status as the relationship progresses, and keep notes in the comments or a dedicated notes column. Sort by status or next action to prioritize your day. And use filters to focus on active clients or at-risk accounts. Clients by status is a report that groups and summarizes records by their current stage. It's great for pipeline health checks and team meetings, and any edits on the client list will automatically roll up into this report. Finally, remember you can modify views across the workspace. Switch between grid, card, or Gantt to match your workflow. Apply conditional formatting to highlight deadlines, and save filters for quick reuse. Adjust column properties to standardize data entry and keep everything clean and consistent. And that's it! Your client tracking in Smartsheet is set up, clear, and ready to scale.